cats dream while they sleep? Dreams are a fascinating phenomenon, aren't they? They're a sort of mystical experience that takes us to another world while we're fast asleep. Whether it's dreaming about flying, meeting a long-lost friend, or perhaps something a little more peculiar, dreams are a part of our human experience. But have you ever stopped to think, do our furry feline companions dream too? Now, before we delve into the world of cat dreams, let's take a moment to understand what dreaming actually is. In a nutshell, dreams occur during the REM or rapid eye movement stage of sleep, which is characterized by eye movements, increased brain activity, and vivid dreaming. This is the same for us humans, and interestingly for our little whiskered friends as well. You see, cats, much like humans, experience various sleep stages, including REM sleep. Anyone who has watched a cat sleep has likely noticed the occasional twitching of the paws, the tail, or even the whiskers. Sometimes they may even make tiny noises. These are all signs that your cat is in the REM stage of sleep. And just like in humans, this is the stage of sleep when dreams occur. Now you might be wondering, but how can we be sure that cats aren't just moving in their sleep? That's a valid question. After all, cats are known for their acrobatic agility and quick reflexes, even in sleep. However, the scientific consensus leans towards the idea that these movements are more than just random sleep twitches. They are, in fact, indications that our feline friends are dreaming. So imagine this, your cat, curled up on its favorite blanket, twitching its whiskers and paws, might just be chasing mice or exploring new territories in its dreams. Isn't that a fascinating thought? What if we told you that your pet cat might be having its own unique dreams while snoozing? Let's delve into the world of feline sleep and dreams. To understand cat dreams, we must first understand their sleep cycles, which are surprisingly similar to ours. Cats, like humans, have two main types of sleep: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. During non-REM sleep, the body repairs and regenerates tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. It's a quiet, restful period for our feline friends. Then comes the fascinating part, REM sleep. This is the stage where dreams occur, both for humans and cats. The REM stage is characterized by rapid eye movement, hence the name, and increased brain activity. It's during this stage that cats, and indeed all mammals, do their most active dreaming. Scientific studies have shown that the brain activity of a cat during REM sleep is remarkably similar to that of a human. Electroencephalogram, or EEG, studies on cats have revealed patterns that suggest they are viewing images in their minds, much like we do when we dream. But what's even more fascinating is the discovery of something called the pontogeniculo-occipital waves, or PGO waves. These waves are electrical pulses that are believed to trigger dreaming in mammals. In the 1960s, French researchers Michel Jouvet and J.F. Delorme discovered PGO waves in cats during REM sleep, providing the first scientific evidence of dreaming in non-human species. So, the science tells us cats do dream, but it doesn't stop there. The size of the dream, or the length of the dream sequence, also aligns with the size of the animal. In cats, these dream sequences are quite short, typically lasting only a few minutes, reflecting their small size. Understanding the science behind cat dreams gives us an intriguing glimpse into their secret lives. It confirms that our feline companions are more like us than we might think, experiencing their own nocturnal adventures while we sleep soundly beside them. So now we know cats do dream, but what do they dream about? Ever caught your cat twitching or moving in its sleep and wondered what it's dreaming about? Well, while we can't ask them directly, we can certainly make educated guesses based on research and observations. Drawing parallels between the dream content of humans and cats, we find a lot of similarities. You see, much like us, cats spend a significant portion of their days sleeping, and dreams are a way for their brains to process the day's experiences. The content of a cat's dream is likely influenced by their daily life. If your cat spends a lot of time chasing toys, or perhaps real-life mice, these activities might very well show up in their dream world. Just like humans relive past experiences in dreams, cats may also replay their days hunting and playing in their sleep. Scientifically speaking, the rapid eye movement, or REM, sleep phase in cats, where most dreaming occurs, suggests that they dream about active pursuits. This is similar to humans, where our REM sleep often involves dreams of engaging activities. The theory is further supported by a study in the late 20th century, where scientists removed the part of the brain that inhibits movement during REM sleep in cats. The cats appeared to act out their dreams, showing behaviors like stalking, pouncing and arching their backs, suggesting they were dreaming of hunting or confrontations. Also consider this: cats have complex social relationships. They form bonds, have disputes, and experience a range of emotions. So it's not far-fetched to think that these interactions could also be a part of their dream content. However, regardless of the specifics, one thing is clear. Dreaming is part of a cat's cognitive and emotional processing. It's a part of their sleep cycle that's as normal and healthy as it is for us humans. So, the next time you see your cat twitching or moving in its sleep, you can imagine it's off on some grand adventure, chasing a mouse, or perhaps enjoying a sunny spot in the dream world. It seems that our feline friends may have more in common with us than we thought. Ready for some fun facts about cat dreams? Let's dive right in. Firstly, did you know that cats spend 2/3 of their lives sleeping? That's a lot of time for dreaming. And it's not just lazy lounging around. Cats actually go through similar sleep stages as humans, including rapid eye movement or REM sleep, which is when dreaming occurs. Now onto some dream behaviors you might have noticed. Ever seen your cat twitching or moving its paws as if running in their sleep? This is called sleep running, and it's a common behavior exhibited by cats when they're deep in dreamland. It's believed that they are acting out their dreams, much like humans do when they experience a phenomenon known as REM behavior disorder. Now here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Kittens start dreaming even before they open their eyes for the first time. Yes, that's right. Even though they haven't experienced the world outside, kittens begin to dream just a few days after birth. It's believed that these dreams help them rehearse for the hunting and pouncing they'll do later in life. And speaking of hunting, domestic cats often dream about their basic instincts. Cats are natural-born hunters, so it's no surprise that their dreams are filled with chasing mice, birds, and other small critters. Moreover, if you've ever been startled by your cat suddenly waking up and darting off, then you've probably witnessed what's known as a startle awakening. This is when a cat wakes up suddenly from a dream, often because they were dreaming about something exciting or scary. Finally, it's interesting to note that older cats tend to dream more than younger ones. This is because as cats age, they spend more time in REM sleep, giving them more opportunities to dream. Isn't it fascinating to think about what goes on in our cat's mind while they snooze away? From sleep running to startle awakenings, every twitch and tail flick is a window into the world of cat dreams. It's a world full of imaginary hunts, rehearsals for the future, and memories of a day well spent. So, what have we learned about cat dreams today? Well, we've delved into the intriguing world of feline slumber and discovered that, yes, cats do indeed dream. Just like us humans, our furry friends enter a phase of sleep known as REM, or rapid eye movement, where dreaming occurs. The science behind it is fascinating. Much like in humans, a cat's brainwave patterns during this REM phase are strikingly similar to when they're wide awake. This suggests that they're experiencing sensory impressions and potentially dreams. We've also pondered upon what cats might dream about. While we can't exactly ask them, research suggests that their dreams are likely based on their daily experiences. So your cat might be dreaming about its favorite toy, chasing a bird in the garden, or even that delicious treat you gave it earlier. It's a comforting thought that their dreams might be filled with such familiar and enjoyable moments. Additionally, we've uncovered some fun facts about cat dreams. For instance, kittens dream more than adult cats. This could be because they're processing a lot more new information as they grow and explore their world. Interestingly, cats may also act out their dreams to some extent, which is why you might see your cat twitching, moving its paws, or even making soft noises while it's fast asleep. It's important to remember that while we've learned a lot, there's still much to discover about the enigmatic world of cat dreams. Science continues to explore this fascinating field, and who knows what new insights we may uncover in the future. So next time you see your cat twitching in its sleep, remember it might be chasing a mouse or exploring new territories in its dreams.